Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Boxy Charm box for the month of April, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay y'all, this is my favorite subscription box. I look forward to getting this every month. They have some bomb products in here. If you don't know about Boxy Charm, it's a $21 a month subscription box. And in the box you get a total of 4 to 5 full-size items. Yes, full size. You don't get samples. You get 4 to 5 full-size items. And almost everybody that gets this box comes out being satisfied with their subscription. So you should check them out. I'll leave the link down below and where you can go to the website to order your box. They used to have a waiting list where you would have to wait a couple of months in order to be able to start getting your subscription, but it's my understanding that there's no longer a waiting list. Like once you sign up, you'll get your box depending on when you sign up, either that month or the next month. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Okay, I got my handy dandy scissors. Here's the box. Alrighty. So usually they send the card with the box just to kind of oh, they sent the whole little trifold pamphlet this time, and the theme of the box is eye candy. On the back they offer coupons. It is a 10% off of a Tarte item and a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. So I'm sure a Tarte item and a Dr. Brandt item are in this box. So let's see. Okay, first, here is our Tarte item. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow. Okay, let's see what this is. It says a glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream. Oil-free formula that can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto the skin, keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put the squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. And it retails for $29. Yes. I think it says exposed on the back. I think that's the name of the color. So let's see. Very creamy, very concentrated. I think I put too much on, but I wanted you to get the gist of it. Nice. That's a thumbs up for number 1. Number 2, this is the Odyssey New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Luxurious, creaming, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliant. And this retails for $24. So let's open this up. And there it is right there. It's sort of a brownie nude. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like, kind of smells like cake. Vanilla. Okay, yeah. This is a pretty nude. Number 3 is the Brow Gal. This is a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the consumer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. It has a light brown type of color to it, but it's not bad. I already know who this is by the packaging. One of my favorites is by Dr. Brandt, and it's the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I've been slacking on my mask lately. I don't know why. I've been so busy and stressed out, and that's the time to get you a good mask and just woosah. And I think I may do that tonight. I'm gonna try, depending on how long filming takes, because I have a couple of more videos to make. But nevertheless, enough about me. This says this award-winning pore refining mask is the extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. This retails for $47. So I know I have a problem with pores. For me, here, here, and here. Like in my T-zone, I have a problem with pores. So this will be something nice to use. It's sealed up. I'm going to keep it sealed up. You know me, I was going to smell it because I'm like, let me smell it. In my mind, it smells minty. I don't know why, but whatever. And last but not least, ooh. Well, you can see what it is. This is a ColourPop eyeshadow palette in Golden State of Mind. Go ColourPop. I remember when ColourPop first came out and all they had was the little how can I forget the name? They had the little pots, the little eyeshadow pops that when you touch them they felt like, oh my god, they still have the little pots that when you touch them they feel so cool and soft and they're so pigmented. But ColourPop, oh my god, every time you turn around they got something coming out and I can't keep up. I just can't keep up. I'm just like, okay, but I love the fact that's what these subscription boxes are all about. You get to try things and see what they're all about. Now I know I love the eyeshadows that's in the little pots. I'm gonna try to insert. I know y'all know what I'm talking about, in the little white pots. I'm gonna try to insert a picture just for those who don't know. But as a matter of fact, I just ordered some things from ColourPop, and a couple of them. I'll link the name up here because I can't believe I can't remember the name of those eyeshadows. But when I get my ColourPop order in, I'll do a video on that as well. Getting back, this is the eyeshadow palette. It says highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. ColourPop, oh my god, they the bomb, y'all. If y'all don't know nothing about ColourPop, go to their website, Google ColourPop. You can find some stuff on there and you would just fall in love. Okay, here's the palette. Oh, look at those. Yes, honey. You're shimmery. They're all shimmery. So I will use this in conjunction with another eyeshadow palette, more than likely. But here is that. And that's the end, y'all. I'm so satisfied with my Boxy Charm box again this month. I give them all thumbs up. And I love my subscription. I love Boxy Charm. So, again, if you want to sign up for the subscriptions, $21 a month, where you get 45 full-size items. Look in the link below, and look in the box below for the link, and that way you can click on it and it'll take you right to the site where you can subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I know you like looking at my videos. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe? It's 1, 2, 3, nothing. You click on the subscribe button and boom. Once it got that D on the end, subscribed. That's it. And then click that little bell next to it, and then when your girl put out a video, it'll be like, ding, Natalie has a video. I mean, it won't say that, but that's what'll come up. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and subscribe for me, please. And then click that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.